Infinite Void. Pure Data. Tutorial by Infinite Void.
Throw and catch. In the previous video, I covered send and receive, and in this video, I'll be covering throw and catch. They function in a similar way where you send signals to a destination. Throw tilde object takes one argument, a symbol atom, as its name. Throw tilde objects may have the same name, but there may only be one catch tilde object that shares this name. Throw and catch. The purpose of throw and catch: send multiple signals to the same destination and mix them automatically. Final result: many to one mixing bus. Throw and catch also uses multiple sources that are mixed automatically. Typical use: mixing buses. Audio behavior: sum of all sources. Practical pure data tip: in larger patches, people often use throw tilde and catch tilde as a main mixture bus for many sound sources. I've created this diagram to help explain what I talked about earlier. I'll also cover it deeper in the video with real action examples inside pure data. How it works: 1. Throw tilde, we give it a name, throws a signal to a bus. 2. Catch tilde, we give it a name, collects all signals with that name and sums them together. I'll now explain all of this using examples inside the Pure Data software. To visually see and hear how throw tilde and catch tilde works, let's take a look at this pre-made patch example. As you can see, the name used in the throw tilde object, it is named $sound-output. This name is reused for each audio signal frequency, and they all connect to one catch tilde object with the same name. I hope using throw tilde and catch tilde makes sense after seeing it in action. I'll also do a versus chart for send tilde and receive tilde versus throw tilde and catch tilde in the next video. See you in the next one. Bye bye!
As previously mentioned in another video, I have a digital online book on the software Pure Data. You can find the link to the website below in the description box. This book is updated on the go. The update will be made when a Pure Data tutorial video is published onto my YouTube channel. You can find a link to the code in the description box. I upload my code to GitHub. I believe it's important to make your code available so that others can learn from your code. This is why I often share and upload my code to GitHub, so it can help others grow. Thanks for watching!